Investing in a gold IRA can be a smart move for diversifying your retirement portfolio, but it's essential to understand the fees involved. In this video, I'll break down the various fees associated with gold IRAs so you know exactly what you're paying for and can make informed investment decisions. For even more details about gold IRA fees and everything else you need to know, click the link in the description for a completely free guide about gold IRAs. 1. Account setup fees. When you first open a gold IRA, you may be required to pay an account setup fee. This fee covers the administrative costs of establishing your account with the custodian. It can vary depending on the custodian you choose, typically ranging from $50 to $150. Some custodians may waive this fee as part of a promotional offer, so it's worth shopping around. 2. Annual maintenance fees. Most custodians charge an annual maintenance fee to cover the ongoing administrative costs of managing your gold IRA. This fee can range from $50 to $300 per year, depending on the custodian and the level of service provided. Some custodians offer tiered pricing based on the size of your account, so larger accounts may qualify for lower annual fees. 3. Storage fees. Since physical gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository, you'll need to pay storage fees. These fees cover the cost of securely storing your gold and can vary depending on the amount of gold you hold and the depository's location. Storage fees typically range from $100 to $300 per year. It's important to choose a custodian that offers competitive storage rates and secure facilities. 4. Insurance fees. In addition to storage fees, you may also need to pay for insurance to protect your gold from theft, damage, or loss. Insurance fees are usually included in the storage fees, but it's essential to confirm this with your custodian. The cost of insurance can vary based on the value of your gold holdings, typically ranging from 0.1% to 1% of the total value per year. 5. Transaction fees. Whenever you buy or sell gold within your IRA, you may incur transaction fees. These fees cover the costs associated with executing the trades and can vary depending on the custodian and the type of transaction. Transaction fees can range from $40 to $50 per trade. It's essential to understand the fee structure for buying and selling gold to avoid unexpected costs. 6. Wire transfer fees. If you need to transfer funds into or out of your gold IRA, you may incur wire transfer fees. These fees cover the cost of processing the transfer and can vary depending on the custodian. Wire transfer fees typically range from $25 to $40 per transfer. Some custodians may offer lower fees for electronic transfers, so it's worth exploring your options. 7. Markup on gold prices. When purchasing gold for your IRA, be aware that custodians may add a markup to the gold spot price. This markup covers the cost of acquiring and storing the gold. Markup rates can vary depending on the custodian and the type of gold product you purchase. It's important to compare markups across different custodians to ensure you're getting a fair price. 8. Potential hidden fees. While most fees are transparent, it's essential to be aware of potential hidden fees that can impact your overall investment returns. These can include fees for paper statements, account termination, and inactivity. Carefully review the fee schedule provided by your custodian and ask about any additional charges that may apply. 9. Comparing fee structures. To minimize costs and maximize your returns, it's crucial to compare fee structures across different custodians. Look for custodians with transparent and competitive fees and consider the overall value they provide, including customer service, educational resources, and secure storage options. By doing your due diligence, you can find a custodian that meets your needs and budget. By familiarizing yourself with the various fees involved and comparing fee structures across different custodians, you can ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. To learn the ins and outs of investing in gold IRAs, click the link in the description for a completely free guide from Augusta Precious Metals. They're a reputable gold IRA custodian who prioritize education and transparency. It's completely free, so just click the link below and grab your free copy right away.